So if you take a look at this corn, check it out here. So the little stuff, it was planted at the same time as the big stuff over there. The difference is that area where the corn is so green at, that's where I composted goat manure, which is really good stuff, organic. If you put goat manure, and it has the hay, and what I do is during the winter I just spread it over the area and let it sit all winter long and just spread more as I go. It's all just nothing but goat pellets and hay. And then there was none put here because this is a new part of the garden I opened up this year. So basically the garden used to run up to here. So I opened this part up and it didn't get any of the goat fertilizer. And this part got the goat fertilizer. So I'm telling you, that stuff is amazing.